Hi, I'm Copeland from G2S Academy here in Scottsville, Michigan. I am in the welding fundamentals class. Over the trimester, we have done bend tests, 3 joint tests, and so for a bend test, it's 8 to 12 passes, and depending on how much you grind out, how much grind work you do, it determines on whether you fail or pass. Like this one right here, as you can see, it's cracked, it failed. This one right here is 100% pass. It has no cracks, no scratches. We use A500 steel, carbon steel. So this right here is what the passes would look like through like 8 passes, 9 passes. I think it's 9 passes right there. Over the trimester, we just did a couple tests. We've done infinity tables, which is that down there. We just kind of tinkered around at the beginning of the try. Towards the end of the try, we started to do a little bit harder tests. Got better and better. I got better and better. At the beginning of the try, I wasn't really any good or anything. So this class has most definitely helped me. I'm thinking about pursuing a career in welding.